Hey, good morning, guys. It is Ben Nyhart, the Bayou Mortgage Guy with North Shore Mortgage Partners. Hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. Hope you are feeling well today. Hopefully, you didn't have too much fun at a Super Bowl party last night. Hope you enjoyed that awesome halftime show. If you didn't like it, I don't know what to tell you. It was great. But, anyways, guys, I just wanted to first off just kind of give you a kind of rundown of what these are about. So every Monday we're going to be sending these out to hopefully further along or help you out with just giving you more in your arsenal for your real estate business. I'm going to give you obviously some things from the mortgage side that'll help you with your clients and hopefully just give you more info, give you more insight, and not try to overwhelm you with mortgage stuff. Just give you the basics, and then always, give you some tips on the real estate side as well. Hopefully, you guys get a lot of value out of this. And like I said, this is just for you guys. If you're receiving this message, you are on my text list. So just if you don't want to receive these, you can always unsubscribe. But anyways, guys, just quick rundown on what's going on in the mortgage business. Obviously, the biggest talk right now is about interest rates. So obviously, interest rates are going up. So big thing here is that the interest rates are now at a level of the highest they have been since May of 2019. So the 30-year average right now is 4.05% for conventional loans and 3.31 on 15-year rates. So what exactly does that mean for you? I would check my pre-approved buyers. I have a ton that have been shopping for a while now with a significant move in interest rates. So, I mean, we started in the low threes at the beginning of the year. We have now reached the fours. So, I mean, it's time to make sure, double check those pre-approvals because a full point in interest rate or very close to it could obviously affect the amount that person is pre-approved for. So you want to check with your lender to make sure that that pre-approval amount is still good. Because I can guarantee you, if their max was 250, it's nowhere near that. If they were pre-approved, January 1, sometime in the beginning of January is where we saw the rates kind of take a turn for the worst. So that's kind of what we're looking at in the whole mortgage realm. Rates are kind of the big talk. I will keep you guys posted on that. We'll kind of obviously keep an eye on that. If I see something significant move, I will send out a text on that as well. There's a big opportunity for people for cash out refinances right now. And here is why. Home values are at an all-time high. I just literally we did a cash out refinance on my house to pay off some student loan debt. So that is a big opportunity because we bought the house in February of 2020. We just have really good timing. But since then, we had a 38% rise in the value of the home. So I'm not saying that's it across the board. I don't know what the national average is, but I mean in St. Tammany, Tangipahoa, Orleans, I mean pretty much everywhere South Louisiana, you're going to see a pretty big home price increase in the last 2 years. So if you know of anybody that has some debt that they want to pay off and they own a home, then now may be a good time to look into maybe consolidating some debt or doing some home improvements because like I said, house values there's equity there. So that's another thing. And then what we really want to do focus on today, I'm just kind of thinking about it's a very competitive market right now. Obviously, I had a realtor text me last week that said they had 40 offers on a house. Like that's insane. So what do you do to set your offer apart? Obviously, there's some things that you can do in terms of like writing an escalation clause or different things like that. From the mortgage side, what we do is we typically will send out a video to the listing agent as the offer, or even before the offer is coming over. I will send a video out to that listing agent just to let them know that, hey, this is a rock solid pre-approval. We have already done their income. We've obviously done all their credit, assets. Everything is done. These people are great. And then hopefully what that will do is that will at least set us apart from the rest of those pre-approvals. So we may not be the highest, but if we're close, that may give us a leg up. Obviously, if the listing agent knows that these people have already been underwritten, they've already been pre-approved fully and they're solid, that and then obviously having a video saying that is just going to set that offer apart from the rest of those offers. Obviously, if ours isn't the highest, then you don't win them all, but that's just a good way to set yourself apart, and that's what we do. So in the real estate business, and I always kind of teach this to my loan officers as well, and it's just something that just came to mind yesterday when I was thinking about what I was going to talk about today, is that people will use you if they know, like, and trust you. Those are the big things that you got to realize. We're all in sales, right? We're all going to be, we're all selling something. Even in life, we're selling something. So if people don't know you, they're never going to use you. So you need to make sure that everybody, social media is obviously the best way to do that because so many people can see these things. So just making sure that everybody knows what you do for a living. If they don't know, then you need to start letting people know. Send out handwritten notes to your friends, your family, things like that. Letting them know if you're new in the business. That is an absolute great way. Just send it to your 20 closest friends. Send them 3 business cards. Just say if you have anybody that's looking to buy or sell, whatever. Give them my card. I would love to help them. And then obviously, if you get them to, once they know you, you got to get them to like you. So that's just, that's just being you, and essentially, just getting people to like you, and then obviously trust you. That's just kind of a thing you have to work on every time. So those are the big things that are going to be the biggest thing in terms of people using you for their real estate needs. And the last thing I want to end with is, I always want to motivate people. My goal for this year is to help as many people as possible. So it's not even helping people in the mortgage realm, getting a mortgage, buying a house. It's also helping people in general, helping real estate agents, helping people that just need help, that I can maybe help by giving advice or sharing a story with them. So I found this quote yesterday, and this is a very good particularly for you guys, is that success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. So consistent hard work leads to success, and then greatness will come. So consistency to me, and especially in real estate, if you are not consistent, you're going to be in that roller coaster. Same thing with mortgages. You're going to be in that roller coaster unless you are consistent. So consistency to me means basically finding your niche in terms of lead generation, whether that's doing Facebook videos, YouTube, mailers, whatever it may be, cold calling, whatever it may be consistent with that. And then, track your progress. So we are actually going to be coming out with some guides where you guys can track your daily lead generation, and we'll have those out probably next month sometime. But that is the key to any successful business, is being consistent and then adjusting. If something's not working, adjusting. And then once you find what you do well, keep doing that thing over and over and over and over again until you find your success. And that's the biggest thing. And that's another just arrow in your quiver, is if you can just find things you do well that work, keep doing them. But guys, look, thank you guys for so much. This ran a lot longer than I thought it would. So thank you for your time, and thank you for listening through this. Hope you guys find some value. Have a great week, guys. And if you need anything, you can always hit me up on the text line. And have a great week, guys. Go get it.